Yes, my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all others respect and dear one with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. And there will be ambrose bhatti, along life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
I am P. Vishnuwardhan Reddy from Grade 12 earlier. Brought you international and national news. International news. BJP appoints Bihar Minister Nitin Nabin as National Working President. International news. Trump expands travel ban to 39 countries after shooting of GUT members. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
The groups of grade 7 is here to say thought. If you can dream it, you can do it. I repeat again. If you can dream it, you can do it. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by K. Tarun Sandesh. By K. Tarun Sandesh of Grade 8 Topaz.
Once again.
Today's thought is brought to you by K. Tarun Sandesh of Grade 8 Topaz. Honesty is the best policy. I repeat it once again. Honesty is the best policy. Thank you.
I am Shokrishna from Grade Topaz, here to tell state and sport news and world. State and sport news. Telangana school Sankranti holidays. Schools across Telangana scheduled to begin Sankranti vacation from January 10 to January 16. Thank you. 1. Gratitude. Being thankful for what you have and appreciating the people around us. Friends, please spell after me. Gratitude. 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 Thank you.
Hey everyone, today's school news is brought to you by Eskishar of Grade 8 Jasper. School news. Today SRV Students International School is celebrating Sankranti festival. Thank you.
I am Sandeep from Grade 7 earlier. I am here to ask one GK question. Open questions for all. When did Pi Day celebrated?
March 14.
Yes, you pick the correct answer, and the answer is March 14. Let us appreciate them. What is abbreviation of NEET? Yes, you pick the correct answer, and the answer is National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. Let us appreciate them. What is the square of 15? Yes, you pick the correct answer, and the answer is 225. Let us appreciate them. What is the square root of 169?
13.
Yes, you pick the correct answer, and the answer is 13. Let us appreciate this. What is the abbreviation of CBSE? Yes, you pick the correct answer, and the answer is Central Board of Secondary Education. Let us appreciate this. What is square of 12?
144.
Yes, you pick the correct answer, and the answer is 144. Let us appreciate this. Thank you. Have a nice day.
The speech is brought to you by Shokrishna from Grade 8 Topaz. Speech. This day is celebrated to honor the contributions of non-resident Indians and the people of Indian origins who live in the different parts of the world, but their culture, values and hard work keep Indians united. This day is very important because January 9, 1915, Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa. His return marked the new chapter of Indian freedom struggle. Lastly, I want to conclude with two quotations. Distance may separate the land, but culture, value and love keep Indians united. Next, wherever an Indian stands with pride and integrity, India stands taller. Thank you.